Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDrivingDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Today, just like we've been doing for the last 16 years, we're bringing you one of our really awesome tools. In this case is a address, driving distance, and driving time calculator with multiple stops. What's unique about this tool is that it allows the user to not just create a starting and an ending address, but it allows the user to name multiple stops that the driver can make during during their trip. So in this case, what it will do is it will calculate from the starting address. If there are multiple legs, it will calculate to stop 1, from stop 1 to stop 2, from stop 2 to stop 3. In this case, there are no more stops, and then the tool will automatically calculate from the last stop, which was stop 3, to the ending address. So the whole purpose of this tool is to calculate driving distances and driving times when you have multiple legs in a trip. There is a limit to the number of legs that you can have. In this case, it's up to 5 legs. So 5 stops in addition to the starting and ending address. So for those of you who are not familiar with our tools, my tools, I've been doing this for the last 16 years. We've got over 7,400 tools in circulation, people that have purchased our tools, and a lot of them use on a day-to-day basis. I get emails every day kind of telling us how much our tools have meant to them and helped you save time, save money, and make your life just a little bit easier. In addition, feel free to check out our Google reviews. We've got over as last I checked, over 115 Google reviews, all 5 stars and counting. Feel free to check them out and see what a lot of my clients are saying. We've been helping companies anywhere from large corporations to one-man operations and anywhere in between. My purpose is to empower business owners and business managers to better run their business through better tools, more automation. So let me show you how this tool works. In this case, I've got a list of starting addresses and ending addresses, we also have a few stops. In this case, for example, the first trip, as you can see here, it has a stop 1, stop 2, and stop 3. As you can notice in this tool, you can use full addresses or you can use just zip codes. The more detail, obviously, the better, but because the tool uses Google Maps API, and I've got a link here on how to set that up. There is an additional video. Feel free to check that one out. It is very forgiving in the type of addresses that you can enter. So without further ado, let me show you how it works. Please note the blue columns are the ones where we're entering the data, and the green ones would be and also the pink ones would be the columns where the output data, where the results will show up. Once I've entered all my data, I can do this for 25 of them or 2,500. All I got to do is click on calculate, and the tool will automatically start populating the driving distance, driving time for the total trip and also for those legs. So again, let me kind of go back. Let's take a look at this specific trip. So we have a starting address in Carmi, Illinois, and we are also telling the tool that I have a 1, 2, 3 stops. So from the starting address to the stop 1, which would be leg 1, this would be the driving distance. To leg or stop 1 to stop 2 would be leg 2. These will be the miles. From here to here, which is from Kentucky to Utah, it's a little bit longer, would be 1,500. And then the last leg, leg 4, will be from stop 3 to the ending address. For those trips where we don't have multiple legs, you can do that as well. And as you can see, there's only one driving distance and one driving time. There is no data on the legs that will be identical to the leg 1 distance, right? Which in this case will be from from the beginning starting address to the ending address. Again, once you start running it, it'll be self-explanatory, very easy to use. Thank you for watching my video. Feel free to download the tool in the link in the description. And feel also free to, we've got over a few dozen different tools that we've built over the years. Feel free to browse through them. Maybe some of them can help you in your day-to-day work, day-to-day operations. If you've got any questions, my phone number and my email will be right on the screen here. Yes, I do answer the phone. One of the biggest things that I get, the biggest surprise is that a lot of clients like you have is that say, hey, I can't believe you actually picked up the phone. So if you've got any questions, by all means, feel free to call me. If not, purchase the tool, take it for a ride and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching this, and until next time.